Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Shahidul Islam Aziz in front of you. Inshallah, today I will tell you about rainy day. This season also rainy season in here in Bangladesh. Uh, this month is September. Maybe September, October is rainy season. So I'll tell you all about rainy day. First of all, when I was very child, that time when rain is coming, um, we feel so happy because I was very child, and in rainy time, uh, I feel I do play football. We do play football, and we go outside, and um, just feelings we will enjoy this moment. So but nowadays, if I wait for wait for rain, uh, it's so bad for us because mm, um, every man cannot do enjoy the rain, but many men has wait. Therefore there has no an umbrella, and there has uh, need so much money. That's why so wait in rainy. So today also rain in here. When I will go, I have ready to go my English therapy class. Then outside is so heavy raining. That time I'm talking with a rickshaw puller, and but rickshaw puller told me uh, the which is rent cost here to there to only 10 taka, but rickshaw puller asked me for 40 taka. When rains come, they they have so much high demand, and so expensive on that time, because also they are so mm, difficult time, and this is their not suitable time, maybe that's why they said for so much money. So when I has gone to my English therapy classroom, I saw that my many places in my shirt and my pants also already wet. And when I sit in the sit on the table in my class, then there was fan fan and also AC. After sometimes I my shirt and fan dry. So when I finished my class, and when I come back my home, that time was also rainy time. And I have an umbrella in my bag. Always, I have an umbrella in my bag because I know that this is rainy time. So only for that, I have taken this umbrella. And this umbrella already medicine representative one person gave me, and so much thank you for giving me that this umbrella. And also so much thank you for listening me and for watching this video. And please forgive me if I have any mistakes. Allah Hafiz.